You love your dog, right? Of course you do. And you want to give them the best, most nutritious food possible. But did you know that many everyday foods you eat are perfectly safe and even beneficial for your furry friend? That's right. We're not talking table scraps here. We're talking about incorporating specific human foods into your dog's diet to boost their health and happiness. Knowing which foods are safe and which ones to avoid is essential for being a responsible pack leader. So get ready to learn about 12 human foods that can make your dog happier and healthier. Stay with me, and you'll be surprised by what your dog can enjoy. Let's start with the classic crunchy treat, carrots. You probably know dogs love to gnaw, and carrots are perfect for satisfying that natural instinct. But did you know they're also packed with vitamins and minerals? Carrots are full of vitamin A, which is fantastic for your dog's vision, helping keep those puppy dog eyes bright and healthy. And the crunchy texture? That's not just fun for your dog, it's good for their teeth too. Chewing on raw carrots can help clean your dog's teeth and freshen their breath. But remember, moderation is key. Just like any treat, too many carrots can upset your dog's tummy. Start with small amounts and see how your furry friend reacts. We all know the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and it holds some truth for our canine companions too. Apples are a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that can boost your dog's immune system. Think of it as giving your dog a little extra armor against those pesky illnesses. But before you share a whole apple with your furry friend, remember to remove the core and seeds. Apple seeds contain a tiny amount of cyanide, which can be harmful to dogs in large quantities. A few seeds won't hurt, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. So slice that apple up, keep the core and seeds away, and let your pup enjoy a healthy, refreshing snack. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are nutritional powerhouses, especially for our furry friends. These little blue gems are bursting with antioxidants, even more than apples and carrots. Antioxidants help protect your dog's cells from damage, which can help prevent chronic diseases and keep them feeling young and energetic. And the best part, most dogs love the sweet, slightly tangy taste of blueberries. You can give them a few as a treat, add them to their regular food, or even freeze them for a refreshing summer snack. Remember, start small and observe your dog for any adverse reactions, just like with any new food. Chapter 4. Pumpkin Power. More than just a pie filling. Pumpkin spice lattes might be a human fall favorite, but plain canned pumpkin is where it's at for our dogs. This vibrant orange squash is a nutritional superstar, packed with fiber and essential vitamins. One of the biggest benefits of pumpkin for dogs is its ability to help with digestion. It can even help with both diarrhea and constipation, acting as a natural regulator for their digestive system. But remember, we're talking about plain canned pumpkin puree, not the sugary pie filling. Sweet potato surprise, a healthy indulgence. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious treat for dogs. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they benefit your dog's health. Beta-carotene supports vision, growth, and immune function. Fiber aids digestion and regulates blood sugar. Cook thoroughly before serving. Chapter 6. Green bean goodness. A healthy snack that's fun to eat. Green beans are a fantastic low-calorie snack for dogs, perfect for those watching their weight. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. Green beans are also a good source of fiber, aiding digestion and keeping your dog satisfied. Offer fresh, frozen, or canned green beans, but ensure they're plain and free of additives. Freeze them for a cool snack on a hot day. On a hot summer day, there's nothing quite like a juicy slice of watermelon to cool down, and your dog can enjoy this refreshing treat too. Watermelon is low in calories and packed with water content, making it a hydrating snack that can help keep your dog cool and hydrated, especially during the warmer months. It's also a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, which is essential for muscle function and hydration. When feeding watermelon to your dog, Always remove the rind and seeds, as these can be choking hazards. Cut the watermelon into bite-sized pieces appropriate for your dog's size and enjoy watching them savor this sweet and juicy treat. Plain cooked chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein for dogs, providing them with the building blocks for strong muscles, healthy tissues, and overall vitality. It's also a highly digestible protein source, making it a good option for dogs with sensitive stomachs or food allergies. When preparing chicken for your dog, make sure it's cooked thoroughly without any seasonings, oils or butter, as these can be harmful to dogs. Avoid giving your dog cooked chicken bones, as they can splinter and cause choking or internal injuries. You can shred or dice the cooked chicken and add it to your dog's regular food, or offer it as a special treat. Plain cooked salmon is another excellent source of protein for dogs, but it's the omega-3 fatty acids that make it a true superfood for our furry friends. Omega-3s provide a wide range of health benefits for dogs, including supporting healthy skin and coat, reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system, and even improving cognitive function. When preparing salmon for your dog, choose boneless, skinless fillets and bake or grill them without any seasonings or oils. Avoid giving your dog raw salmon, as it can contain parasites that are harmful to dogs. As with any new food, introduce salmon gradually to your dog's diet and monitor for any adverse reactions. Plain yogurt without any added sugar or artificial sweeteners can be a beneficial addition to your dog's diet, thanks to its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the gut and play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. They can help balance the gut microbiome, improve nutrient absorption, and boost the immune system. When choosing yogurt for your dog, opt for plain, unsweetened varieties that contain live and active cultures. You can offer a spoonful of yogurt as a treat, mix it with their regular food, or freeze it into small, lickable treats for a refreshing snack. Peanut butter is a popular treat for dogs, and for good reason. It's delicious, versatile, and offers some surprising health benefits when enjoyed in moderation. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. It's also a good source of niacin, which is essential for energy production and healthy skin. When choosing peanut butter for your dog, always opt for varieties without xylitol, an artificial sweetener that is toxic to dogs. You can stuff a Kong with peanut butter for a long-lasting treat, spread it on a lick mat for a fun activity, or even use it to hide medication. Now, for the most surprising food on our list, quinoa. Yes, quinoa. This ancient grain, often hailed as a superfood for humans, is equally beneficial for dogs. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that dogs need for muscle growth and repair. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, magnesium and manganese, making it a nutrient-rich addition to your dog's diet. You can cook quinoa and mix it with your dog's regular food, use it as a base for homemade dog treats, or even offer it as a healthy alternative to rice or other grains. So there you have it, 12 human foods that are not only safe but actually beneficial for your furry friend. Remember, every dog is different, so it's important to introduce these foods gradually and watch for any adverse reactions. Always consult with your veterinarian before making any significant changes to your dog's diet. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments which human foods you're excited to share with your dog. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll share even more tips for keeping your dog healthy, happy and balanced.